Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I welcome everybody in this session, and today we are looking at the 8040/2 Information and Communication Technology ICT paper to practical October November 2025. The paper which has been done by our students this year 2025. That is Uganda National Examination Board UNEB Uganda Certificate of Education ICT paper to practical 2 hours 30 minutes. So in this session, actually, we are going to be handling the item 1. Then the session shall be handling item 2. This section content is always the same. Discrimination people to compulsory items. You have provided support file, that is UNEB support file on the computer desktop. Use it where applicable to prepare the items. And you are provided you the new blank compact CD or DKJ for site this that DVD. Use a permanent mark for your name, random number, and personal number on your CD or DVD. You should continue to save your work. You must provide a hard copy of each of the items. So the instructions are very clear. So with item 1, which we're gonna handle today on this session, Eve started a children's home in Uganda where she helps disadvantaged children. She operated for some time, but due to increasing expenditures which would no longer meet, she applied to a charity. She applied to a charity organization for help. Fortunately, her request was granted and she was asked to make a budget following the guidelines given by the charity organization shown below. Bullet 1. Medical fund for each child per term according to age. That is for 8 years is 200 shillings. 9 to 13 years, that is 100. And above 13 years is 75,000. That is the medical fund for each child per term according to age. Then when it comes to bullet number 2, we have school fees for each child per term is 575,000 for primary and secondary school children respectively. The budget should clearly indicate the total amounts paid to each child per term and the overall amount expected per year. If a specifier, the organization has scheduled a meeting for all institution it helps, and if is expected to make a presentation of the activities done by the children at home, available facilities, future plans, and the budget. If has details of the children's home and the data to be included in the budget in the children's file folder. However, she lacks the ICT skills. Task. Help to prepare all that she needs to present the meeting. Provide soft copy on CD and sample hard copies of what you have done to help you clearly indicating your name and the person number of the developer on each of those copies. So this is what we're going to look at. That is item 1, and these are the instructions. Basically, once you have gone through all this, we always consider these bullets as far as responses are concerned. So we're going to go to the desktop, of course, and we look at this children's file folder as it is in our support file. So we're going to come to UNEB support file, which is provided. We open. Let me first try to make it big. This is children's file folder. This is these photos, images which are included in children's file folder. The upload is open, and there is children details. Let's try to open it. Once you open it, actually it's not looking clear, so let's first go to view, make it 100% clear. So we are going to start, of course, by opening or creating a folder. You right click on the desktop, create a folder that is, give it our names, James, ISO, maybe 001. That is the folder that is created. Then inside it, we're going to create what we call subfolders. Inside, let's create subfolder for item 1, because that's what we're going to start with. Item 1. So inside item 1, let's open it. We are going to open a new Excel sheet. Right click new. We come and open Microsoft Excel. We save it as Rucham's 001. We enter, then open it. Once it is opened, of course, we're going to come to our file, children's details. We select all this data. We right click on it. That is to copy. Then we are going to come, minimize this. We come and paste it in our Excel file. Then we paste it here. So this is it. Our data has been pasted here. Let's try to make this well arranged. Then from there we come back to instructions according to the medical fund for each child per term according to the age. We can call it we can first give it the heading if necessary. If it's not necessary, we can leave it. Let's start straight away. The medical fund for each child per term according to the age. So we're going to first come and get, we consider the age. We go to the age. We're going to let's first put borders to this data. Let's put borders first. So the borders are put, then you come to the age, because remember, according to the instruction, they want us to, let's first call this work done. Then we are going to come to our question, medical fund for each child per term according to age. So we are going to first write the medical fund column here. Medical fund for each child. So how do we get this medical fund? Because it is according to the age. So 4 to 8 years, that is 209, to 13 years, that is 100, and above 13 years, that is 75,000. So what we are going to do, we are going to come here, we sort the age. We are going to sort the data here to the age, because according to the age, we're going to first put them highest to the lowest. Come to sort. We say largest to smallest. Expand selection like that. So that means he is going to help us to calculate this age without using too much science, because the age is now arranged alphabetical according to the students, to the learners. So we're going to come here and get these children from 4 to 8 years, and we award them, give them 200 medical fund. So let's come back here to the age from 8 to 5, for instance here. So in this area, we're going to put 200,000 shillings. We drag and drop up to here. So that is it. So from there, we're going to come back here and we see 9 to 13 years, that's 100,000. it's easy now for us to award the money to those people. Then you come here where 13 years is, put there 100,000. Do the same. Good. Then they have also told us above 13 years it is 75,000. So we come here, $75,000. As simple as that. So this one I've got that money, this one I've got this money, 100, and below 8 years I've got also 200 as medical fund. So once that is done, I'll come back to our question here. Got another bullet. This bullet is done. School fees for each child per term is 500 and 750 for primary, secondary school children respectively. So which means that 500 is for primary children and 750 is for secondary children. So this is gonna be like this. We're gonna come here and put school fees, but let's just use the school fees. Let's first of all direct being organized. So let's do it. So we're gonna come here. We say this is all secondary. Secondary, they're paying 750,000 shillings. So these are all senior secondary. So we're gonna come, we drag this all secondary here, this secondary here. Then primary, it is 500. Secondary, that is 750. Up here. Then here we have 500. Primary. Secondary, we have 750. Then primary 500. I think the rest up to down here, they are supposed to pay 500 because they are primary. So just drag and drop. So assignment is done for school fees. Then we come here to the last field, the last bullet, that is the budget should clearly indicate the total amount spent on each child per term and overall amount expected per year. So we're going to come here to total amount spent, total amount per term, total per term, then total per year. So once that's done, we're going to come to calculate our total per term. That is easy. We're going to come and say equal sign. sum. We're gonna add the medical fund, and cosine sum. We're gonna add the medical fund and the school fees. Just enter. That is the. Then you drag and drop. This is it. This is the total per term. Then how do you get the total per year? This is also very easy. Because the year has 3 terms, because we have to say equal sign. We click here, then you say we multiply by 3, then we get the total per term. So this is per year. So each students pay that money per year. Then you're gonna come down here. We put grant total per term. Then also put here grant total per year. So we start with per term equals sum. So we're gonna come here and we total from Solomon up to 10. We enter. This is it per term. Then this is per year. It's also calculated automatically. Now let's try it. So this is per term, then per year we're gonna do the same. Cosine sum. Come calculate from that up to this. So the same. So that is it. Going to go on total per term. You see per year is also here. Then according to the scenario here, the budget should clearly indicate that the amount spent on each hour per term and environmental is expense per year. That's done. So the organization should be making all institutions helps and needs the children at home a very facility future plan and budget. So according to the Excel file, always it's better. Let's first to try to modify it a bit. We can try to modify this table of hours. Let's try to increase the font to maybe 14. Let's try to now let's make it drop because it's too big. We highlight everything. Let's give it drop. So once that's done, we can highlight the total columns, bold them. You can give them the different color. You can also give them a uniform typeface, like you can leave it in Times Roman. Then from there we can now think this is okay. You can now insert a header, for example, which is ISO 001. Now once you see this, you just need to change the background, the back layout, orientation, then come to landscape here. If it remains there, we just come to set print area. Let's come to scale to fit. Let's go to page setup first. Then we click fit to 1, then we click to F4. Then from there we click OK. Automatically it will be put to order. So our work is on one paper or page, as you can see. So it's good for printing. Remember, it's better to insert at least you can insert any chart. Let's highlight the names of the students, of the children, and the amount they are supposed to pay per year. Come here, we highlight this, the total per year. Then we come to insert, can insert a Chrome chart, a pie chart, or any. Let's use the Chrome chart. This is okay. So we can cut this and put it on a different page or sheet, that is sheet 2. We paste it there. You can even expand it. This is the column, per year. So I think with Excel we're good to go. We just need to come print, and this is how it will appear on a piece of paper. Then just come here and print. If it is graph, you come to sheet 2. Also you do that. So that is it. So we are going to add another presentation, or what we call another application, which you're going to use for your spot with a maximum of 2 or 3. So you're going to design a presentation. We can open Microsoft PowerPoint, and we name it, of course, Richard's Phaser 001. That's our person number. We launch it. First we click add first slide, and we can name it according to the scenario here. The organization has set a meeting for institutional events to make a presentation of the activities done by the children at their home, available facilities, future plans, and the budget. So these are the details we are expected in our presentation. So we can come and start with what is required, because we're going to name it. We can come and start working on it. Say if children's home, if children's home, we can say meeting presentation hosted by James Faizo as a presenter. This is one. And put this one down. So this is our side one, and this is what we should expect on our slide one or title slide. If children's home meeting presentation by James Faizo. Then we can come back here. We look at what is required. So we can write the introduction, create another slide here, that is we name it introduction. What could be our introduction? You can say if children is home, basically looks after children who needs help from everyone who has a good heart, by providing shelter, food, water, and education. So this is enough for introduction. You can insert a new slide, and according to the task here, actually to make a present activity done by the children at home. So here we can put activities done by children at home. One of the actual activities we can consider can get activities from here, because these are some of the activities which are done at home. We can talk of playing, because they play. Playing. Another activity which we can consider here is the dancing. dance and singing. We can also look at other activities which are done at home. They are stated here. They can say maybe drawing. We can also consider guidance and counseling. Studying. They also study. So we can insert another slide here. Let's look at anything else which is required. Available facilities. So you can write facilities available. Facilities available. You can say rooms for sleeping. You can also consider rooms for studying. So rooms for reading or libraries. Library. Maybe playground. I think those ones. Those are enough. According to the what I'm seeing here, anything else so far that is what I'm seeing. I don't know what you're seeing, but that's what I'm seeing. And for now, then you can come back here, consider another stuff here, future plans and the budget. Future plans, so we can insert here, write future plans. Future plans, we can also consider more rooms for sleeping. You can also look for expansion of the home, growing food, growing food, more playgrounds, more study materials, and so many others. Then you can look for another slide that is for the summary of the budget. Budget summary. The budget. So here we can just come and open our Excel. We insert the summary of these children and their payments per year. The man expected to be paid per year. You can just put it there. Total amount. A chart showing expected per year. Conclusion. Thank you. I'll say we appreciate for your continued support, and we expect your positive response. Okay, so this is can be our conclusion. Then after that we can design it. Can put any design of our choice, like this. This is not okay. Can use another one. Prepare this. Can put this one here. So I think that is that one as our design. So we can try to put that one back at. We can insert some pics like here. We come to insert. You come to picture. When you come to picture here, you come to desktop. You go to your support file. Come to children's file folder. You can use this one, or you can use this one. Start. This is all part of our slide. You can put a home, or we can make it like this. So that is the home. Can come here, we search. Can put that there. Let's just put that one there. Let's try to expand it a bit. Then you can come here. Insert picture. Activities back down. You can put the some those who are playing here. can add another pick. Which other game? Maybe this. We can also put it there. Then you can come to facilities available, search picture. And of course, this is a facility. We can put it there. Then you can come to future plans. Can go back to our presentation here. You come to research. You can add. You can put that. I think that's enough. So we can come to slide master here. Can come to slide master. We start. We highlight the title master here. We can decide to make them red, all of them. We can. You can change. Let's leave them where they are. You can highlight this. Let's put some animations to fly in, or the text will fly in. All these are going to wheel. Make them all split. Transition. Let them all be like this or like this. Let all of them be like this. Let all. Then from there we can insert some header, footer. Come back here, we activate all this. We come to footer, we type our names, piano advisor. You can also apply to all. Then after that we can go back to our normal slide. And this is how it looks like. Let me try to make this bit small. Let it be like that. Then we can try to do some slideshow. We'll see how it's gonna be. Yes, that's good. That's not bad. It's good. It's the presentation. So we're presenting. Good. Good. So here we end the slide, and then we save our work. Then we can go to print our slides, and here we print them using what we call 6 per slide. Yes, this is how it's gonna look like. That is our handout. It's gonna look like this. Then that's all. So that is it. That is our item 1, and that's how we should do it. And these are basically, at least you should have 2 files in your folder. As you can see, our folder spread has, this is my folder. Once you open it, James Paizo has item 1, that is PowerPoint and Excel, at least 2. And that means you have actually attempted item 1 very well. Wish you well. Let's meet in item 2, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.